What's up everybody, Brandon, DIYB Sim Racing here. Today we are back in the garage and we are talking about how much work I need. It's a long, arduous process to get the accolade of being a clean racer, and I think that that's something that everybody should focus on as they move through their own specific sim racing journey. So with that, spending some time today at Spa driving the Corvette C7R GT3 spec. This car has the tendency to really come off the rails, and that's something that I've really been wanting to rein in, and just really need to focus on how best to utilize that car in whatever setting being thrown at me. I know that I've really shied away from this car in the past, and because of that I really want to just open up and try to focus on just putting some sort of clean lap down. So let's hop in the rig and see what happens. Alright, after a few warm-up laps, we were able to put a lap down that was acceptable, to say the least. Overall, managed to keep it together and put down a decent lap that I'm happy to walk away with. So, at that, thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.